Next, young people in Caerphilly have called for better access to school toilets, saying it's a matter of dignity. The Caerphilly Youth Forum made the issue its top priority, urging schools to keep toilets open during lessons. Members told the council's education committee that some pupils avoid drinking all day to minimise toilet visits. The committee also heard that girls are being denied privacy if bags aren't allowed into toilets. While schools offer toilet passes to pupils with medical needs, others risk punishment for leaving class. Councillors praised the forum for raising the issue, which they now plan to explore in partnership with officers. Meanwhile, costs linked to a major road upgrade in the Vale of Glamorgan have gone up as compensation claims from landowners continue. The 5-mile lane project, completed in 2019, originally cost nearly £26 million. Vale of Glamorgan Council is now asking for an increase in this year's budget from £347,000 to over £770,000. Officials say the extra money, funded by Welsh Government, is needed to cover legal and expert fees. A particularly sensitive claim is being handled confidentially by external counsel and will be addressed in a closed cabinet session. Plans have been announced to open a new cafe in one of Cardiff's most popular parks. Cardiff Council is looking for someone to convert the former caretaker bungalow at Park Kevanon in Lisvane into a cafe. The building sits near the entrance and includes a small outdoor seating area. It's part of a wider effort to improve the Grade 2 listed country park, which has recently received National Lottery funding in recent years. Full details of the lease opportunity will be published in July on Cardiff Council and Fletcher Morgan's property websites. And the cost of transport is being blamed as the biggest barrier to swimming lessons for school children in Cardiff. A council-backed pilot project has boosted school engagement from 57% to 74%, helping more than 2,200 pupils gain access to lessons this academic year. But membership in the city's main swim school dropped year on year. Cardiff Council says the pilot aims to support more schools in meeting curriculum targets for swimming. Leisure providers say getting more families into pools early will be key to long-term water safety.